Another way to make a rectangle or any flat piece of fabric is by using a Tunisian style. Now, I do have Tunisian hooks, but it's inside and I don't want to get up and go get it. You can use a normal crochet hook as a Tunisian hook. You need to understand that however many you start with, that's how many you're going to have, unless you do something fancy to decrease or increase. But we don't want it to decrease or increase because we want it to be a rectangle, the same size as this one. And as you recall, the same size as that one. So I counted my stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that was the same as this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we're going to start one that is 15 wide. Now remember, you're looking for that inner magic thing. You just reach in, you pluck it out. Oh, I did not. That really came out honestly that way. All right, Tunisian is an interesting sort of semi-knitting thing. You start with your launch, and then you're going to put 15, well, 14, because 15 minus 1, stitches on. You're going to do a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it when you're getting your yarn. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And this is where it's going to look a lot like knitting, because now you're going to just, don't turn it, keep it straight, just flip it a little bit and put a single crochet in there, but don't go all the way through. So it's really called just loop in. So loop and leave it on your hook. Loop and leave it on your hook. Loop and leave it on your hook. No, I will not keep doing that all the way through. You would go insane. But do hold it with your finger, because like knitting, it'll get away from you. And also make sure it doesn't slide off the end of that. So depending on how you normally hold your hook, take special care not to slide it, not to lose it off the front or the back. And this is where a Tunisian hook really comes in helpful, because it's got a flat end on this side, so it can't fall off. But anyway, this is Tunisian on a normal crochet hook. You've got your loops. Now, hold this with your thumb. Loop over, pull through 1, loop over, pull through 2, loop over, pull through 2, pull through 2, 2, 2, all the way. Yes, I love you. 2. Okay, keep going. A little bit more. 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Now you've got one loop here, and that's a good thing. And you're going to do one chain. Now, as you can see, these look like they're just begging to have stitches put through them. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Okay, and that's exactly what you're going to do. They don't want to see that part of you. Okay, so slide your hook in and loop through. Yes, I know. Slide and loop through, but don't do anything with it. Just leave it on your hook. Cats and crochet, they go together, don't they? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Okay. Coming to the last one. Don't forget this last one. It's right there. And one. And then for the rest of them, it's through two. Loop over and through two. You know, crocheting without cats would be a lot easier, but it wouldn't be nearly as much fun. Okay, can you see? Or is it just, okay. Yes. 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 Okay. You like this one. Okay, this is Bella approved. She likes, whoops, don't go through three. You're, I'll do my book one. Let me finish. Yes. Whoops, not through three. Through two. Okay, we've got one gone. Chain, slip stitch, not slip stitch, sorry, just slip, and retain the loops on your hook all the way across. You really like this yarn. That very first one, you loop over and you just pull it through that one. And you can see it's a single crochet. Right there, beautiful. And the rest of them, it's loop over and pull through two, all the way across. My thumb is sort of pushing the loops up towards the head of the hook. And as you can see, you can already see this pattern. It's a beautiful pattern. And it looks like knitting. And you just continue this until it's as long as you want it to be, or as short as you want it to be. And since you are matching it with this rectangle, you're going to make it as long as it is. Okay? Just count up and do that many rows. And then when it's at this point, when you're at this point and you've made it as long as you want to do, you do one chain, and then instead of looping it through and holding it on there, you're going to do it as a single crochet. I'll show you again. And this finishes off that edge. Loop through and single crochet. And that will finish off that edge. See, beautifully. Until you get to the very end. She is really enjoying this yarn. Okay. Not there yet. Very end. Don't forget that last one. And then you would finish off. Clip it, pull it through, and then you have your rectangle of any size that you want. Don't forget, you can keep going. You can make a scarf with this. This makes a very pretty scarf. But we were doing rectangles, so this is how you can do a rectangle using Tunisian stitches, even with a normal hook. Have fun.